Hey guys, Blake Hanneman and Mike Wynn coming at you today with another Just the Tip. So we're going to get started and talk about alternator swaps today. Okay. What we have here is a 2006 Gen 3 5.7, nothing fancy. But what we want to notice here is the alternator difference. So most of you out there are pretty familiar with these engines and how the car application, the alternator, bolts in the same location, but it uses a direct mount bolt in through this boss and two at the bottom. The problem is with most of your older Mopars, such as your A, B, and E bodies, there's a clearance issue. With the car alternator actually comes into very close proximity, almost contacting the subframe right here. Some people actually have to notch them for clearances. If you're like us, we don't really like modifying anything if we do not have to. So we upgraded to the 2005 and 2006 Jeep Grand Cherokee and Jeep Commander alternator. So this alternator came on both the SRT and the 5.7 models. It utilizes the exact same timing cover as the 5.7 in the cars and the 6.1 in the cars, but it allows you to move the alternator in to this mounting position, which are already on your timing cover, and get more clearance in this area. As you can see, we didn't have to notch anything, whereas before we were running close and we almost had to notch the subframe. The beautiful thing about this is it does not require a belt change. The center line of the pulley and the diameter of the pulley make the required changes such that you can reuse your factory belt. So that is a quick bolt-in, easy way to gain more clearance at the subframe and retain the factory accessory drive. One quick mention is upgrading from the car to the Jeep. You may have to change your connector on the back of the alternator. It's the same exact connector as your injector connectors. So it's the same physical design. If you're in a salvage yard, go ahead and clip one of those guys off and wire them up. There's an exciter and then a feedback voltage to the ECM. It's very simple, very direct forward, and it eliminates the need to cut on your classic Mopar.
Hey guys, it's your man Mike here. Thanks for watching our video. If you like what you see and it's bringing value to you, please do us a favor and hit the like and subscribe button. That way you can keep up to date with all the latest videos and content that we're going to bring you for your Hemi Swap. It's Hemi Swap the world, guys. See ya.